Please subscribe for more videos.
It's Noah and his ark. Here are some of his animals he helped to get on the ship. A lion, an elephant, a giraffe, a monkey, a tiger, a sheep, a horse, a pig, and a cow. The sheep goes bah. The horse goes neigh. The pig goes oink oink. The cow goes moo. The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The animals went in 2 by 2, the elephant and the kangaroo. And they all went into the ark for to get out of the rain. We have 6 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what shapes are they? This is a triangle because it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And it's yellow. A yellow triangle. This one is a hexagon because it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a green hexagon. This is an orange pentagon because it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an orange pentagon. This is a square because it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square. And it's purple. This is a purple square. This is a circle because it's completely round. This is a circle and its colours are black and white. A black and white circle. Our last one is a star. A star has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a red star. Let's count how many animals we've got. So first of all, we've got Noah. He's not an animal. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 animals. 9 animals on Noah's Ark. We need to put all our shapes back into this. There is a star, a circle and a triangle on the top. Let's try and find which shape goes in the correct hole, starting with the circle. Where is our circle? There it is. Pick it up and put the circle in. Yay! Next, it's our star. Which one is our star? Found you. Pick it up and put it in. Now, it's our triangle. Can you see the triangle anywhere? That's right. There it is. Pick it up and put it in. Let's turn our ark around and see what's on the other side. There's a colourful keyboard. Do you know what colours they are? Purple, orange, yellow, blue. Can you remember the next 4? They're the same as the first 4. So, purple, orange, yellow, blue. Time to flip it upside down. Wow! There's 3 more shapes. A hexagon with 6 sides, a pentagon with 5 sides, and a square with 4 sides. Let's guess which one goes in which hole. Let's start with the square because it has 4 sides. Pick the square up and put it in. Now our pentagon, which has 5 sides. Is it this one or this one? That's right. This is our pentagon. Put it in. And last but not least, it's our hexagon. Pick it up and put it in. Well done, you found all of them. Let's tip it upside down. Our animals down here are standing on different shapes. Let's turn them over and see what they are. The lion is standing on a circle. This is a circle. Let's find the circle in the arc. On the circle. Roar goes the lion. Next is our elephant. Our elephant is standing on a square. This is a square. Find the square in the arc. The elephant goes on the square. Our next animal is a giraffe. Our giraffe is standing on a triangle. This is a triangle. Let's find its place in the arc. I can see where it goes. Put it on, put it on, put it on. Great job! Monkey! Our monkey is standing on a star. This is a star. Let's find its place in the arc. This is the star shape. Put it on, put it on, put it on. Our last animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. And the tiger is standing on a heart. A heart. This is a heart shape. Let's find its space inside the arc. This is the heart shape. Put it on. Very scary.
Please subscribe for more videos.